everybody, Mark M&M Adventures coming to you live from Colorado Springs. I wanted to get over to the camper and get a few things done, and in doing that I wanted to shoot a couple videos. First one I'm going to shoot for you guys is this RVLOCK that I purchased, and I don't know if you've seen these before, but they're the touch pads, so instead of having to carry your keys around with you, you can punch in the code and it'll automatically unlock. It actually has a remote with it as well, which we'll unbox it here in a second and look at it. But I'm going to go through the install, which it says it takes 10 minutes, so hopefully this video will be quick for you guys. But let's get to the unboxing. Let's do the unboxing on this thing and see what's inside. Alright, so that's nice. We don't care about that. We've got the lock mechanism here. It's going to make a bunch of noise. Pulling it out. Get rid of that. If you can see that, it's got the touch codes or the numbers on it. It's a two-piece, so this is obviously what we're going to install. Seems like it's pretty well made. I don't know if this feels like it's plastic actually. This is plastic and this is metal. This feels like it's metal. So anyways, it looks pretty nice. What else is in here? More of that stuff. There's the keys for it. There is the little remote. There is the like the door jamb piece and some screws. And then we've got the instructions. I'm hoping that the install is self-explanatory, but I think this is for programming. So that's a programming information. Anyways, that's it. Alright, so we are outside, and I'm first going to apologize because it's a little bit windy, so hopefully there's not a lot of wind noise on this video. We're going to go over here. This is the lock mechanism, and we're going to replace this guy with the new one. I don't even know what these are called, but we're gonna remove this, and then we're gonna move to the back here where there's 4 screws in here that I'm gonna remove. This assembly will come out, and then we'll put the new one in. So let's get to it. All right. Hopefully I don't drop these and lose them, although I don't need them now, I hope. Alright, so this guy's going to come off, and then I'm going to take the back of this guy off. And I think when you get to the last screw, you're going to want to hold the back. I'm not sure if it wants to fall out or not, but I'm going to hold on to the back side. Take this last one out. Actually, it's staying in there pretty good. This is going to come off. And then the back one pulls out. And that's the old mechanism, and you can see the opening here is what it is. I think it's an exact fit for the new one, so let's get the new one prepped. All right, so this should be pretty simple. This guy's gonna slide in here. Make sure you get that cable through. Let's see. Nice. So that fits right like that. It looks factory. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna switch around to the back side and see if I can figure out how to put this on. First thing you got to do is connect these guys together. You can actually heard a beep, and this might be interesting, getting that kind of tucked in there. And you got to be smarter than the lock, because it actually goes this way, and you've got to get this guy lined up. Alright, that one's at least started. Let's try to get another one started. Alright, there's a chance we're in business now. Let's find out. that guy is installed. Okay, so that's loose or free, deadbolt's free. All right, so we've got the instructions here and we're gonna try to program the code into here. I'm just gonna put in a random code to show you how it works. So first it says you hit 8 and the lock, you get a long beep, and then you're gonna put in the default code 1, 2, 3, 4 lock. Then you're gonna put in your new code. So I'm gonna put 8642 lock, 8642, boom. So it took my code, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 8642 lock, and if I don't know if you probably heard that, but door's locked. And what it does is it locks the deadbolt. It doesn't lock this main one. This main one is still a key lock, but obviously the deadbolt locked. So that's programmed, and boom, we're in. We're gonna try to program this key fob and see what we get. There's a little fob learn option here. You're supposed to press it in and it's gonna beep, and then you hit the lock button on here and that programs it. We should get a long beep after that if it's programmed. All right, so that shows that it's programmed, and hit the lock button, and you notice that did that. Unlock, lock, unlock, lock. Hey guys, I'm just gonna tell you, I did this like 5 times and it didn't work. It actually programmed, but it wouldn't lock the deadbolt. It would just unlock it. I started with the orange, and then I went to the black one, and for whatever reason now it's working on the black. I don't have an answer for you on why that is. I had to reset it literally like 5 times. What I did find, and maybe this did it, but if I switch the lock to locked, and then I hit the unlock, and then I went back to the lock, that's when I noticed it worked. So I don't know, just a little glitch, but it's working correctly now, and we're done. It was easy to install. I'm excited to use it. Typically we use this stuff, or my idea here is when we go hiking and stuff, when we're out, camping, I hate carrying a set of keys or a key with me. So having the little touchpad is really nice, and I'm looking forward to using it this summer. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully you learned a little bit and we gave you some good information. Have a good day.